Hey, it's Brian at Generator Mart. I got 3 or 4 things to go over with you real quick here. One is the announcement of the winners for the P25 contest that just concluded. Kohler's on sale, 14 and 20 kW, while supplies last, $4,000. Also have the dual fuel and the standard P4500s from Cummins, $10.50 for a standard, $12.50 for the dual fuel. That sale pretty much is going to last until they're gone. We only have about 35 to 40 of the standards at $10.50. Winner announcement: Frank Oliver T from Arvada, Dylan H from Torrington, Connecticut, A. Grant, Rapid City, South Dakota, Tyler I from Brighton, Michelle H from Greeley. We received over 26,000 entries for that contest. Thank you so much for your support. Those people have a week to get back to us and claim their prize, or we'll pick another person. Thanks for watching and take care.